let's see. We have the high cold stone Binocular for the singing, high quality Binocular. Okay, let's try to see what to use for the quality for it. Let's see the picture that we say for high quality and Binocular, and then perfect for the boating and yachting and sport and bird watch, outer racing and horse racing and hunting and theater and beach and traveling. Let's see this picture right here, so everything show up, and let's test for the open the box we're looking for. Okay, let's see. I have a bag right here. We gotta open this. I have a cover perfect right here too. And if we look at it here, it will say 10 times 50, 96 meter by 1000 meter. Okay, let's go test out. First of all, we gonna open the cap, how to use it right here. I usually play in the hunting on the military, okay? I know that, how to use this one. But some people, they don't know they have to adjust the 60 to 70. Right here, they got a knuckle right here. Let's go see the test out, okay? And also, they got one turn knuckle so far away to 50 to 1000 yards. Let's go look for it. Okay, test right now. See how far with 100 yards. First of all, we can turn that. See, we see a small here. Okay, let's go close by 1000 yards away. See, definitely it's kind of big. Picture everything clearly. And then we go see, okay, 96 by 1000. Far away up to the wall for 1 mile area. Pictures clearly. Also, you see everything by the far away. Its quality is very good and clean. And then let's go to far away to the power. You can see all the top side, all the screw knob, everything by the power mode. All the electrical wire, everything that was good. That was good. So let's go test out. Anyone can use it, because this one is a 10 times 50 to 96 1000 meters. Okay? So go test out. I usually play this to the hunting a lot. So I got direction to show you how to do that.